everybody. Prior to this class, we have already discussed all about the calculation of simple arithmetic mean. But today we will discuss about the calculation of weighted arithmetic mean. You see, in simple arithmetic mean, I pointed out, in simple arithmetic mean, all items of a series are taken as of equal significance. But in many times we give great significance to some items and less to others. Generally, in a household, more significance is given to food, less to clothes, and still less to entertainment. Weighted arithmetic mean is the mean of weighted items. Different items are weighted according to their significance. The average of such series is called weighted arithmetic mean. Weights are indicated by W and items by X in the series. To calculate a weighted mean, at first Wx is calculated by multiplying X values with their respective or corresponding X values. X values are multiplied with their corresponding W, and then summation Wx is calculated by adding them. Then summation Wx is divided by summation W to get the mean value. The formula for calculating weighted arithmetic mean is XW bar. It indicates weighted arithmetic mean, that is equal to summation Wx by summation W. This is the formula to calculate weighted arithmetic mean. Okay, XW bar, it indicates weighted arithmetic mean, and it is calculated by putting the formula summation Wx by summation W. Okay, where W represents weights and X represents items. Now let us solve some examples and calculate the weighted arithmetic mean in case of some examples. Note it down first. So an example is given here, mark it. Calculate weighted mean of the following data. Marks and weights are given. Marks, they are X values, and weights, they are W values. They are the weights. So X values are given like this: 55, 59, 63, 75 and 60, and their respective weights are given. So how to calculate weighted arithmetic mean? Solution. Now we know that weighted arithmetic mean, the formula for weighted arithmetic mean is XW bar is equal to summation Wx divided by summation W. Okay, summation Wx divided by summation W. Now we will have to write the X values and W values at first in tabular form. X values, W values, and what we have to find? Wx. Okay, X values write down: 55, 59, 63, 75, 60. Their respective weights: 3, 3, 1, 2, 1. 3, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay. Now find out Wx. Multiply these two. How much it comes? 165, then 177, 63, then 150, okay, then 60. Add them. 55, 165, 173, 63, 150, 60. Add them to get summation Wx. Summation Wx is equal to how much? 5, 1, 6, 615, 615, right? Summation Wx is equal to 615. Then what is summation W? Is equal to 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 7, 10. Okay, summation W is equal to 10. Right? Now we have to put the formula to calculate weighted arithmetic mean, that is x w bar is equal to summation wx by summation w, that is equal to how much? 615 divided by 10, that is equal to 61.5. Right? So this is the answer, xw bar. So weighted arithmetic mean or xw bar is equal to 61.5. Okay, note it down. Then again we will take another example, we will solve another example. Another example is there. Calculate weighted mean of the following data. Items and weights are given, or x and w values are given. X values are given as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And w values are given as respective weights are given 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. We know that more weights are given means its significance is more. Okay. So, in this case, how to calculate weighted arithmetic mean? Solution. Take in tabular form x values, w values and wx. As in the last example, we solved. X values 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay. Then weights 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. Okay. So x and w values are given. Find out wx. 10 into 2, 20, 60, 120, 240, 250. Right. Now we have calculated wx. Now add the wx values to bring summation wx. How much it comes? 0, 9, 6, 690. Okay. So it is 690. Now what is summation w? Summation w is equal to, add w values 20. Right. So summation wx is equal to 690 and it comes to 20 summation w. Now put the formula to get weighted arithmetic mean. xw bar is equal to summation wx divided by summation w, that is equal to 690 divided by 20. How much it comes? It comes to 69 by 2, that is equal to 34.5. Right. So xw bar is equal to 34.5. That is the answer. That is the answer. Okay. So here we have discussed how to calculate weighted arithmetic mean of a particular series. Okay. Note it down. Thank you, and we will meet in our next class. Right?